Dear students, my name is Joshua Mugabi. The subject is chemistry. I welcome you to Chemistry MCQs, paper 8. Let us start our quiz. Which of the following will react with dilute acid? Iron. The atomic volume of allotropes of an element are different because their crystal structures are different. Which one of the following substances affect the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide? Manganese 4 oxide. When conducting electricity, metals use their mobile electrons. The atomic number of element 2 is 13. Which one of the following is not true about 2? Two reacts readily with cold water. When an aqueous solution of copper 2 sulphate is electrolyzed between copper electrodes, the solution becomes dark blue. When potassium chrolate is heated with a catalyst, it decomposes to form oxygen. An element W forms an ion with (20) protons. The atomic number of elements P, Q, and R are 12, 8, and 7 respectively. Which of the following compounds are ionic? P2 and P3R2. When a substance has water chemically combined with it in a crystal, the substance is called hydroxide. A white powder is made of 24% carbon and 76% fluorine atoms. Its simple formula is given carbon equals to 12 and fluorine equals to 9. CF4. The solubility of a salt P in water is 35 grams per 100 cubic centimeter of water at 20 degrees Celsius. The mass of P in 40 cubic centimeter of water at the same temperature is 14.0 grams. "25 cubic centimeters of 0.12 molar sodium hydroxide solution was neutralized by 30 cubic centimeters of a solution of a dibasic acid. The molality of the acid is 0.01 molar. What volume of sulphur trioxide is produced when 100 cubic centimeters of sulfur dioxide is reacted with 300 cubic centimeters of oxygen gas at STP? "100 cubic centimeters. When 1 gram of butane C4H10 was burnt in excess air, 49.66 kilogram of heat was evolved. What is the quality of heat in kilojoules evolved when 1 mole of butane was burnt in similar conditions? (2,880). An element W belongs to group 3 in the periodic table. The formula of the oxide of W is W2O3. Which one of the following can react with steam? Iron. Which one of the following substances will not conduct electricity? Sulphur. Dear students, thank you very much for attending to Chemistry Revision Paper 8. Let us meet in Chemistry Revision MCQ Paper 9.